In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Safari remote automation on iPhone. So I'm on my iPhone now, and the first thing I'm going to do is open the Settings app. Once Settings is open, I'm just going to start scrolling down through the menu until I find Apps. You'll usually need to go a little bit down the page, so just keep scrolling until that option shows up. As soon as I see Apps, I'm going to tap on it. Now that I'm inside the apps section, I'm going to scroll again and look for Safari. Since the apps are listed in alphabetical order, you can keep moving down until you get to the S section. Once Safari appears, just tap on it to open the Safari settings. Now I'm inside Safari, and from here I'm going to scroll down through the settings until I find Advanced. It's a little farther down the page, so just keep going steadily and you should see it. Once Advanced shows up, I'm going to tap there. At this point I'm in the Advanced section, and this is where the setting we need is located. So now I'm looking for remote automation. Once you see that option, you'll notice there's a toggle next to it. To enable Safari remote automation on your iPhone, all you need to do is tap that switch so it turns on. And that's really it. Once the toggle is on, Safari remote automation is enabled, there isn't anything else you need to confirm, and there's no save button you need to press after this. The change takes effect right away as soon as you turn that switch on. I'll just go over it again while I'm here so it's easy to follow. We opened Settings, then scrolled down and tapped on Apps, then found and opened Safari. After that we scrolled down to Advanced, and inside that section we turned on remote automation. So if you ever need to come back and find this setting again, that's the exact path to follow. If you're moving through the menus with me, just take your time with the scrolling, because the only part that usually takes a second is finding the right section. But once you get into Safari and then Advanced, the rest is very straightforward. You're basically just looking for that remote automation toggle and turning it on. So I'm still here in the Advanced menu, and you can double check that the switch is enabled before you leave. As long as the toggle is turned on, then Safari remote automation is active on this iPhone. Once that's done, you can simply back out of the Settings app or close it completely, and your change will already be saved. So that's how to enable Safari remote automation on iPhone. Just open Settings, go to Apps, tap Safari, open Advanced, and then turn on remote automation. That's all you need to do.